What? Yeah, I freestyling off the man on this one, so forgive me. Yeah. Oh, the sticker just fell ago. She's straight now. What? Fucking with a real nigga. I'm getting all these real figures. Styling on the mind, yeah, I do this every time. Yeah, I'm just keeping it real, nigga. Beasting all these rappers, niggas think it's straight. Really, they are actors. Gay motherfuckers. I ain't even gay motherfucker. I be killing all the rappers and I'm fucking all these hoes. Niggas getting mad, but me is who they chose. Going off the top, so they like it. So I'm gone. I fuck up, nigga, get your luck up, nigga, get your fucked up. I don't really give a fuck, but yeah, you should give a fuck, boy. Fuck, boy, I don't give a fuck, boy. Going off the top, boy. You can't really see me, yeah, I'm going for that spot, boy. You better watch out for the kid, watch out for this twin. Yeah, he is ill, super nice, getting right, getting me every night, getting pussy every night. Well, not really, but I could. But nigga, I'm a good boy, so I keep it hood. Hooders keep it real, so nigga, fuck how you feel. I'm going off the top, yeah, nigga, keep it ill. Yeah, niggas getting mad, I keep it trill. Triller, shout out to my nigga. Yeah, you cannot see us, no, you cannot beat us, no, you cannot. Hey, look, I flip the strip mode and I flip it like I went in flip mode. You cannot see me, you should dip, dude. You cannot see who, you cannot see Dean. Who's Dean? Shout out to D Cream, that's my bro, dog. Yeah, you cannot see us, you can't really do nothing when you come see us. If you have some beef, nigga, do when you see us. Please step up and beat us if you can. Nigga, you ain't really shit, nigga. Shout out to my team. Shout out to my team, yeah, we going for a dream. Getting all the cash, nigga, yeah, I'm such a fiend. You can't really beat me, nigga, yeah, you know I keep it real. Yeah, whoever, just